So as you know, it's week 1 and we've got 15 weeks together this semester. So I want you to annotate this time or share a little bit with what our expectations are. How are we going to interact together in this class? How are we going to, learn from each other? What do you need from your students in this class? And what do you need from me? What is going to work for us to learn together? So for this one, I'm going to get you to annotate. Again, same instructions, but going to use a slightly different annotation tool. So you're going to take your cursor. You can follow along with these instructions. Take your cursor, go to the top of the screen that's being shared. Again, go to the green part. It says you're viewing my screen. Click on view options beside that and go to annotate again. Now a new toolbar can open up. This time I want you to click on the T for text. So when you click on the T for text, you need to click on the screen and where you want to annotate, and then a little text box opens up and you can start typing just like I did. Okay. So if you want to change the color, you can click on format and change the color as well. But go ahead, I'm going to clear my drawing. Go ahead and start annotating. So again, the question is, what are some things that we can expect from each other in this Zoom classroom setting so that we can all, ensure that we're helping each other to learn, understand the material. Okay, great. Thank you. Listen and respect to different opinions. Absolutely. That's a great piece, right? We're all coming from different experiences. And we talked about that earlier in the class. We all have experiences related to this course in different areas. And so we can participate and share experiences. Yeah, absolutely. Through icebreakers. Yeah, that would be wonderful. I want us to build our own little community, get to know some group work and development. A big part of it is forming relationships with the communities that you're working with. And so we can practice that in our class. What else? Be punctual. Yeah, absolutely. Right. Like class starts, as I mentioned, on Wednesdays at 1 o'clock, and we're going to use the same Zoom link. So if all of us can be here at the start of class, that would be really helpful for us to get started on time and to cover the content and learnings that we need to. Respect each other's opinions, insights, and feelings. Yeah. Be respectful, right? How does respect look in a classroom? Celebrate diversity. Yeah, so we saw, we're all different, we're all unique, and we have different experiences that we're bringing. Respectful and celebrate that. Collaboration in the team, yeah. Maintaining decorum in the class. I'm not sure who wrote this one. Well, I'm going to ask if anyone wants to elaborate on their points. Would anyone like to speak?
So that would be me.
Yes, Henry, go ahead.
So what I meant here is maintaining decorum in the class means we should not have private discussion during the class. We should organize ourselves in orderly manner, and we don't disturb the delivering the lectures. This is to help everybody get maximum information from the lecture.
Thank you, Lenray. Yeah, that makes sense, right? And Lenray makes a great point, which is, listening when other people are talking, right? So whether it's me talking as a professor or another student is talking, one way to do that on Zoom in our Zoom classroom is to make sure you're on mute unless you have something to share, right? And actually trying to hear each other out. Thank you, Lenray. Learn from each other's experience. Participate in the breakout rooms. Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to be doing small group activities. Actually, we'll be doing one right after this. And that's important, right? Because those activities are going to help you practice your evaluations, whether it's the test, the quiz, or some of your assignments. and then punctual or come early to class. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm now going to take a picture. I'm actually going to save this. This is our agreements, right? We've decided that this is how we are going to interact with you. So I've just taken a picture of this, and I'm going to put it in the course shell.